What glue should I use for foam sheets? Hello everyone and welcome back to Bahar Miniature. In this video, I'm going to answer one of the most frequent questions I received. What glue should I use for foam sheets? Today, I'm going to test the most common glues that us craft and DIY lovers usually have at home. As you may have experienced, using a high-temperature hot glue gun will melt right through your foam because of the intense heat. Next up is the 3M spray mount, followed by standard super glue. Both of these contain harsh solvents that will literally eat away and chemically melt your foam, completely ruining your project. Instead, I'm going to show you what to use that is cheap, strong, and safe. First up, wood glue is a solid option. It's cheap and creates a strong bond, but it takes a while to dry and leaves a yellowish mark behind. Another everyday option is a standard white PVA glue. It is incredibly cheap, completely safe for foam, and unlike wood glue, it dries clear. However, it won't give you as strong of a bond on its own and requires a lot of patience to dry. Lastly, we have UHU POR. This is a specialized contact adhesive made specifically for foam. It dries clear, leaves no ugly marks, creates an incredibly strong, flexible bond, and dries much faster than the others. I hope this video helps you to choose the perfect glue for your next foam project. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Bahar Miniature for more craft and DIY tips. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!